Hi folks, Donnie here. This is going to be a very quick video. Just wanted to show you something I got today. It's an UltraSonic Cleaner. Basically cleans with high frequency, 40 to 42 kilohertz frequency through water. So it's using the water as a very, very mild sort of abrasive. It gets into all the nooks and crannies inside various small and finer objects, which you can't always clean, say, with a brush. Or normal means. So it vibrates the water at a very high frequency. You can't hear much. I won't be able to talk over while it's running, but I will finish this video quickly with a short segment showing you two razors. The one which was very thoroughly cleaned with my Dremel and using whatever means I could. If you look very, very carefully at the video, I'll actually try and slow it down slightly as well. You can see a cloud, sort of clouds of muck coming out of the inside of it, which really shows that was as clean as I could get it, and yet it was still getting stuff out. What I noticed was when I finished with it and I took it out, it's what is it, the little adjusting rings were actually, for the first time ever, actually turning fairly easily. This is a 1960s razor, so I mean it's 40-60 years old or so. Quite incredible. So it certainly cleaned out the insides that I couldn't clean out before. So basically this UltraSonic Cleaner, it's a small one. This one would have cost around about what, $80 or so, 1,000 Rand. But it's ideal for cleaning things like CDs, rings, necklaces, earrings, watches, waterproof watches that is, dentures, glasses, razor blades, razors like I'm using now, metal dishware, infants or infantile articles, toothbrushes, pen heads. So I've got a fountain pen as well, which was very, very thoroughly cleaned. When I took that fountain pen out, absolutely no more ink coming out of it anymore. So perfect for doing sort of a monthly clean or so on fountain pens. Printer heads, small metal parts, coins, that sort of thing. But yeah, it's obviously quite a small one. You get much bigger industrial ones which are going to cost 5 or 6 or 7 times the amount. I just got this to try the concept out, and yeah, so far fairly impressed. I haven't tried coins and so on yet. Basically just uses plain water, so you don't need anything specific. I see some people are using, they fill it with water, and then what they do is they put a little container, say with petrol in. It's not recommended, but for really dirty items, say like engine parts and things, they'll put a little container inside so that it doesn't mix with the water. And then that will still, the ultrasonic goes through the container into the petrol and the article and helps clean it. So that's for the really extreme cases. But in most cases, you're going to put maybe one little drop of, say, dishwasher liquid, maybe if you want to. But that's about all you need. So no expensive running costs or anything. And yeah, it's just something that, yes, you're not going to use it every single day, but it's quite useful for those types of objects that you can't clean in the ordinary way. But anyway, yeah, sit back and listen to the noise. You're not going to hear much, but it does give off a bit of an irritating sound, but that's for the 2 or 3 minutes that it's operating then. Anyway, thanks very much and enjoy. Bye.